I think I got it. Yeah, let's do that.
Hello, my life friends. Okay, so have you ever looked in the fridge and you see leftovers and you're like, what am I gonna make? What am I gonna make? And you see that you actually have chicken and sausage and bacon and cheese and sauce. Yes, yes, pizza time it is. I got this pizza crust from the dollar store. It's a thin one. I like thin pizza crust. Let me know down below whether you guys like the thick pizza crust or the thin pizza crust. My kids like the stuffed crust things, but I didn't have that. So what I am doing right now is I am doing half with white sauce and half with red. I particularly like white sauce. My kids like the red. So half and half it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting my already cooked chicken. If you guys didn't see my last video, my son made a chicken casserole and pizza last weekend. So I already had some chicken, already cooked up. I had some bacon and some sausage. So I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese on my half with my white sauce, and then normal cheese on the half with the red sauce. But yes, the pizza is definitely going to be half chicken and fresh basil, and the other half is going to be meat. My daughter loves meat pizza, so I am going to make her a meat pizza with my already cooked sausage and bacon. Now I'm just going to cook this according to the package directions on the back of the pizza crust. So 425, but I only put it in for about 10 minutes. And it was honestly really good. It was really good. That is my meat one, and that's my chicken one. Oh, if you guys have seen any of the rest of my videos, you have seen my poor little basil plant sitting in my background. Yeah, that's where I got these from. I'll put some of my other videos in the description box down below, but there you go. That's my chicken one, and the other one's my meat one. Looks good, doesn't it? Forgot to let you know that I do put Italian seasoning all over all of it. It makes it better. It makes it so good. Oh my God, it makes it so good. So if you're gonna do the same thing I'm gonna do, make sure you put Italian seasoning all over the top of it and enjoy. It is really good. See you later.